In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Valorant anti-cheat error. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your PC, restart your computer, and try launching Valorant again. This can fix temporary glitches causing anti-cheat errors. You can also go ahead and restart your Vanguard service, press Windows plus R, and then type services.msc and press enter. You can find VGC or Riot Vanguard and right click and restart. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and right click the Riot Client. You might need to simply go ahead and right click the Riot Client or Valorant shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Always make sure that you have the Vanguard status running. Press Ctrl Shift Escape to open Task Manager to check if VGC.exe is running. If your Windows is not up to date, simply go ahead and update it. And if nothing works, simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your. If nothing works, you want to simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your Riot Client. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.